Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chase Slate Edge credit card online. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate your Chase Slate Edge credit card online, start by opening a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official Chase website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in option located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to go to the login page. If you are already registered, enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you are a new user, look for an option that says Not Enrolled. Sign up now. Click on this link to begin the enrollment process. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your social security number and your card details. Once registered, log into your account using your newly created user ID and password. After successfully logging in, navigate to the section labeled Account Services. In this section, look for the option that says Activate a Card. Click on Activate a Card to be redirected to the activation page. Enter the required information, including your new Chase Slate Edge credit card number. You may also need to provide additional information, such as your social security number and the card's expiration date. After filling out the required fields, review the information to ensure it's correct. Once confirmed, click the Activate button to complete the activation process. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your card is now active. You will also receive a confirmation email regarding your card activation. Congratulations, your Chase Slate Edge credit card is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.